Microneedling is everywhere right now. It's marketed as the holy grail for smoother skin, smaller pores, more collagen. But here's the truth almost nobody tells you: microneedling isn't safe or effective for everyone. Let's break this down. If you have melanin-rich skin, Fitzpatrick IV to 6, rosacea or sensitive skin, or active acne, then microneedling could do way more harm than good. You're not going to hear this from most clinics, because let's be honest, treatments equals $. But if you fall into one of these groups, here's what could go wrong. For melanin-rich skin, equals you're at higher risk of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, meaning those needles can leave dark marks that last months. For rosacea-prone skin, equals microneedling can trigger flare-ups, broken capillaries, and even long-term inflammation. And if you have active acne? You're literally spreading bacteria with every pass of the needle. It's like rubbing the breakout into your entire face. Microneedling isn't a one-size-fits-all miracle. It's a wound. And if your skin is already compromised, you could be setting yourself back. Here's what to do instead: talk to a dermatologist, not just an esthetician. Ask about alternatives like LED therapy, niacinamide, or barrier repair routines. And wait for your skin to be stable and healthy before doing any treatment that involves injury. Speech balloon: drop a comment if you've had a microneedling horror story or were surprised it didn't work for you. Thumbs up, like, bell, subscribe, and remember, good skincare is personalized, not just popular.